Let's take a look at the next problem here. We want to find a complete quotient when p of x is divided by the binomial following it. So we got x minus 2, and then x to the third minus 7x squared minus 8x plus 2. Now we take a look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. So you ask yourself what times x gives you x to the third, and that'd be x squared. Whatever you put up on top, you'll multiply by what's out in front. So we'll take x squared times x minus 2, which gives us x to the third minus 2x squared. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So this x to the third becomes negative, this negative 2 becomes positive. X to the third minus x to the third drops away. Negative 7x squared plus 2x squared gives us negative 5x squared. And then I'll bring down the rest. And we continue the process. Take a look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you negative 5x squared, and that'd be negative 5x. And again, whatever we put up on top, we're going to multiply by what's out in front. So we'll take negative 5x times x minus 2, which gives us negative 5x squared plus 10x. Now we're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So the negative 5x squared becomes a positive, the positive 10x becomes a negative. Negative 8x, negative 10x gives us negative 18x. I'll bring down the plus 2. And then we'll repeat the process. We take a look at the first term of each, decide what to put up on top. You ask yourself what times x gives you a negative 18x, and that's negative 18. Whatever you put up on top, you multiply by what's out in front. So take negative 18 times x minus 2, which is negative 18x plus 36. We're going to subtract that line, which means flip signs. So negative 18x becomes a positive, the positive 36 becomes negative. Negative 18x plus 18x drops away. 2 minus 36 is negative 34. And that's our remainder. And you put your remainder over what you're dividing by. So you take negative 34 and you put it over x minus 2. And that's our answer.